Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Capital One account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Capital One com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Capital One login on the Google itself like this and hit enter, and you can see the Capital One credit cards, bank loans, personal and .com by capital1.com. Click over there, and now you can see both of these are the same site. Let's close one of these, and now to you log into the Capital One account, you can directly log in from over here, or you can just click on over here on the top right corner which says sign in, and you can see it's the same thing. Now to log into your Capital One account from this website, either you will be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Capital One account from your computer. Or if you have forgotten your username and password, just click over here of which says forgot username or password to go through a procedure to reset your password. Or from this website you can see it's the same thing. You will be required to enter your username and your password over here of your Capital One account, and then click on sign in to log into your Capital One account. And if you have forgotten your username password, click over here to retrieve those. And if you have not yet created an account on Capital One, simply click on set up online access over here to go through the registration page of Capital One. And there guys, this is how you log into your Capital One account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.